In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inventory in QuickBooks Online. We'll start by turning on inventory tracking, then we'll set up an inventory item so you can sell and restock with confidence. First, let's enable the features that make inventory work. Open the Settings gear and choose Account and Settings. Head to the Sales tab, then find the Products and Services section and click the Edit icon. Here, turn on Show Product Service column on sales forms so your invoices and receipts clearly list what you sold. Next, turn on Track Quantity and Price Rate to let QuickBooks carry your item details onto transactions. Finally, turn on Track Inventory Quantity on Hand. This is the key setting that allows QuickBooks to count what you have, what's on order, and what's committed to sales. When you're finished, click Save and then Done. Quick tip: inventory tracking is available on specific QuickBooks Online plans. If you don't see these options, check your subscription level before proceeding. With tracking enabled, let's add your first inventory item. Go to Sales, then Products and Services. Click New, and choose Inventory as the product type. Give the item a clear name your team will recognize, and add an SKU if you use one for scanning or vendor matching. Enter the initial quantity on hand and the as of date. The as of date should reflect the exact day you physically counted what's on your shelf. This ensures QuickBooks starts from an accurate baseline and your reports line up with reality. Set a reorder point to trigger low stock alerts before you run out. This number should reflect the lead time to restock plus a small buffer for demand spikes. Add your sales price or rate and choose the correct income account so sales of this item show up in the right place on your profit and loss. Under Purchasing Info, enter your cost and select the appropriate expense account, typically Cost of Goods Sold. This helps QuickBooks calculate margins and post-purchase costs correctly. QuickBooks will default the Inventory Asset account, which is where the value of your on-hand inventory lives on the balance sheet. Keep that as is unless your accountant has given you a specific alternative. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. If you're setting up multiple items, use Save and New to keep moving efficiently. That's it. You've enabled inventory tracking and added an item the right way, setting yourself up for accurate stock counts, clean financials, and timely reorder alerts.